Good thing we have the rain boots. Hello. I have not been vlogging that much today because I feel very blah. I don't know if it's because of like the rainy weather or the like back-to-back days of being super social and having like lots of activities. But yeah, just been kind of feeling blah today. I do feel a little bit better because we did some yoga and another MadFit 10-minute abs. You know, Elle Woods was right. Endorphins make you happy, or at least bring you out of a funk. And so, yeah, I feel a little bit better, but overall kind of blah. And just was sitting at my computer a lot this morning, editing, doing more like digital cleanouts and like getting rid of photos or moving them to a hard drive. Just kind of like wanting to declutter. And I don't know if that decluttering itch is something people get also at the end of the year. Like you want to declutter your closet and like get rid of things and start fresh for the new year. And yeah, I'm kind of doing something similar like in my digital life. So it's kind of what I spent today doing. Otherwise, just gonna have another chill day, chill afternoon, because it's like wet and rainy, and looking forward to a new episode of Yellowstone. It's like our new obsession, our Sunday night obsession. The show was a little interesting to get into. Like some of the characters were like very one-sided and the plot seemed totally out there, but I really like the show now. And I have a short attention span, and this is one of the shows that I actually want to sit all the way through. So that should be coming back on tonight. It's a cheddar Gruyere, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm kind of sad that this Rice Krispie is 45 calories for literally 2 bites. I will savor my 2 bites of Rice Krispies. So tiny. Okay, it's like 3 bites. Oh my goodness. This has got to be one of the rainiest, wettiest Mondays ever. It's literally been raining nonstop for probably the whole time since I've been up. So since like 7:30, it's been raining nonstop. It at least feels a little bit brighter today. It's kind of got like that bright white light versus like the gray, hazy grossness of yesterday. But yeah, it's like raining like crazy. It's supposed to rain all week. And I hope it clears up because on Friday, we're supposed to go out for a team lunch. And I would really like to not be soggy as I'm going into the city and like walking around the city. So cross your fingers that it dries up and clears up by Friday, or else it's going to be a very wet, potentially cold team lunch. I forgot. I need to take my vitamin today. Alrighty. Get the nice MySpace view. I've got the Costco house brand Kirkland adult multivitamin gummies, because still a kid at heart. Today we will be having a purple one. No yeast or gluten. no wheat, no lactose. Oops, supposed to eat with a meal. It's 10:20. Oh well. The sun came out for a minute, so I'm just gonna step out and get some fresh air. Oh my gosh, all the leaves fell. This was our front yard patio, and now it is littered with leaves. Just love how the air smells after a good rain. Spinach and ricotta tortellini with garlic chicken sausage and some peas. And of course cheese. In case you're curious, I finished the pasta off in a pan. So I originally used the pan to saute the sausage and the green beans while I boiled the noodles in a separate pot. But I put these all together and now the bottoms are nice and crispy. I think our super exciting Amazon package is here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh boy. Right. All right. Page. Here we go. The best face lotion. Exciting news. Out of nowhere, unexpected, we got $100 Uber Eats credit. So I think it came from like a holiday mixer party meeting that I didn't attend, but $100 buys yummy food for me and my fiance, and Uber Eats means maybe we'll use it this week because it's supposed to rain all week, and that leaves me not wanting to leave the house ever. So Uber Eats to the rescue, no soggy shoes, and perhaps some new takeout to try.